In this video, I'll detail how to change AirPlay receiver password on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you're using Apple Vision Pro to share or stream to your iPhone screen, then you can easily set a password and you have the option to change your password. So if you've shared your password with someone you don't want to connect to again, or allow the person to screen share or stream Apple Vision Pro to your iPhone screen, you can easily go ahead and set a new password or change your password. So if you found this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do when I want to change AirPlay receiver password on iPhone on iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Once you selected General, scroll down and click on AirPlay and Continuity. Then scroll down. Then you want to make sure you've already enabled require password. Once that is enabled, then you can set the new password or change the existing password. To do this, just click on Set AirPlay Password. Then go ahead and delete the existing one and type in the new password. Click on OK. This is going to change the AirPlay receiver required password before any Apple Vision Pro user can stream or share content from Apple Vision Pro to your iPhone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.